Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my move-in vlog for this school year. I'm about to move into my new apartment. If you've been keeping up with my other vlogs, you know that I lived in another apartment this past year and I just moved home for like a couple weeks and now I'm going back to school, just in a different complex. So I'm at my house now. I'm just finishing up, getting some last minute packing done and making sure we have it all ready to go in the car, and then we'll be on our way. Everything is all packed up. We're about to head out. So yeah, saying bye to my room. Even though I'll probably come here tomorrow because I have pillowcases coming in the mail. That's just a bunch of stuff that I'm getting rid of. So for now, it's just staying there until we have like a yard sale or something. So everything is down, ready to go. It literally looks like so much stuff. So we're on the way to school now. It's starting to rain. And that won't be good if it's raining when we get there, so I'm kind of nervous. My old apartment had like a garage that led directly to the floor we were on, so it was actually really convenient. But this apartment doesn't have a garage and I'm gonna have to like walk straight up to my door. Hopefully it's not too bad, or it stops or something, but I guess we'll see. I'm really excited though. I think my little's already there. This year I'm living with my big, my little, and another one of our friends, Morgan. It's gonna be so fun. I can't wait. It's kind of sad though because I miss my old roommates. We lived together like the past 2 years, but Caitlin graduated and then Savannah is living at home this year. Hopefully the rain stops and I will update you guys when we get there. Heading to lunch. So everything's been successful so far. I like went and registered my car and we kind of just like dumped everything in my room, and now we're gonna go eat and then go back. So getting the goods, stocking up, groceries. So I actually haven't updated in a while. I literally have everything just like thrown everywhere. But clothes are in there. We're about to put sheets on my bed. Got most of the stuff hung up. Looking good. So I haven't really updated the vlog. We've kind of just been trying to get everything in here and everything put together. It was raining when we got here, so basically my dad and John just brought everything in with umbrellas. Me and my mom stood at the door and like put it all in. So yeah, we've been running around just trying to get everything done. My little was here with her parents and I think they just left to go to dinner, and then my parents just left because they needed to go run some errands. But we might leave in a few minutes to go meet them for dinner. But I want to give you guys like an overview of the apartment because I didn't get to do that when we first came in. It is seriously amazing. I'm so excited. It is huge. Like, this is the most open floor plan like ever. I'm so excited. This is just like the front window and door. And then we have a table with 4 chairs. I'm like, what apartment has this? And this is gonna be Sarah's room. Well, my big Sarah, and then my little Sarah's room is here. I mean, I'm not gonna go way in there, but it looks so cute. And then our kitchen, obviously. We have the really long bar. I just have some more boxes I need to put away. The kitchen's just so nice. And then we have the living area. The couch was all the way pushed there, but we realized it made sense to like put it closer to the TV. We're gonna put some kind of like console table or bookshelf there so it's not like so awkward. And then that's Morgan's room. And then my room. And we have this big window, door to the backyard. This is the first time I've ever been on like a first floor. So it's nice. I just have like a little outside area. Still putting everything in its place. Here's the overview so far. It basically just looks the same as my old room, but like just in a different room. So it's nice. The sun's starting to set though, so it's a little bit dark, but I got most of my clothes in there. Gotta get the bathroom stuff together. So much clutter for now, but it'll be put away soon. So this is the situation. I basically have this whole setup looking good. I don't really like the mirror not being in front of like the window, but I guess it works. It's just not like the best lighting. And I just have it with my little rug and guitar, and then my bed. I love that it's centered in the room because like I didn't get to do that in my last room. So I think it looks really cute with the little hanging things. I don't have a headboard, but I do have like a big body pillow that I'm kind of just using as something there. But I kind of like the simple look, so. I have my little shelves up there. I'm probably just gonna end up switching out the little decorations. I'm not sure exactly what I want there. And I'm gonna need a taller lamp for that table. But I have my desk area over here, which I basically just have all my makeup on. I really want something over there that's like drawers because this desk came with no drawers at all. So I just have that tabletop now because I need the extra table space. So yeah, hopefully I can find something soon to put there because I don't know where I'm gonna put like all my office supplies and like books, stuff like that. I need something for that. Here's my pile of stuff that I'm gonna have to figure out where to put it. And this obviously is a mess right now, but I kind of have something going there. Closet, for the most part, is done with my clothes and shoes, but I have some stuff here that I still have to go through. And like I said, I'll go out and do my kitchen stuff. The bathroom is actually pretty much done. I don't want to turn the light on just because it gets so loud with the fan, but I have this little cart here. I thought I was gonna need to put like my hair tools and stuff on top because it's like this has no storage as well. There's no drawers, but we got these things for now that will work, and I actually fit everything underneath there. And of course I have like my counter stuff here. I really do love how it's turning out so far. I love this room. I love the floor plan of my apartment now. So I'm really excited and just ready to see it all come together. And I will show you guys kind of the outside stuff, what we've done in the living room. I feel like that's gonna take a little bit more time, and we also wanna wait till our other roommates get here so we can just figure out how we wanna decorate it and stuff. So the pile is gone. That's just some stuff I have to take home in that box. Also some trash and things I'm just gonna take. I should have shown you guys like before I put it under here, but basically I just filled these baskets and stuff with some of my office supplies and also just like random things that I used to keep in the drawers under my bed. So it is hidden back here, like if you're standing up you can't see it at all. I may get like a bed skirt or something that can like hide it better, I don't know, but for now it works. Pretty much done for the most part. I just have my warmer on back there. I finished setting up my dresser area, desk, table. These are just some things going out in the kitchen. This is stuff I have to throw away or take home. Closet's done. Everything is looking good. I'm so glad it's like all finally put together because I hate when things like aren't in their place. It was freaking me out for a little bit. Keep wanting to give you guys an overview because it's just so pretty in here. Those are my boxes I'm about to unpack, and it's just so bright and open. I just open all the windows. So I put all my kitchen stuff away. Everything just looks so clean and nice. This is just the stuff I'm gonna take home or throw away. I just put it by the door because I'll be leaving soon. I put up this little thing. It's just the thing that I have like every year. It's like a tradition now, but I just have to put it somewhere. And yeah, everything's looking good. I also hung up this little thing. It was sitting on the table, but I think I might change the quote out in a second. That's just what I had in my old apartment. We're probably gonna move stuff around, just like where things are hanging or where things are, but I figured I'd just put it there for now. So since I'm pretty much settled in now, I guess that's the end of this moving vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I know I love watching these videos, and I loved doing my moving vlog last year. I will have an apartment tour up for this apartment as soon as we get everything like settled out there in the main area. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the rest of my college videos coming up. Since it is back to school, I'm gonna be doing like college week of my life. I'm gonna be vlogging like sorority recruitment and stuff, so stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching. Baby.